Hi, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like the session, press the like button for sure. Share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, you'll get the benefit of all the exam relevant videos which we upload. As something is in news these days, and what's that? The new governors of 7 states. That means the questions which are going to be there and they are very, very significant for your exam, and those 7 governors will be the part. Such questions based on NPCI, what's that? We'll get to know. Stay put, watch the video till the end, because at the end the revision is going to be beneficial for you. Because I actually try that you should keep all the names in your mind. After watching the video, all the names should stay in your mind. How can that happen? Obviously, I'll help you with that. I'll try to repeat those names often so that you can actually retain those names easily. We'll start from the very first question, which is about the governor of a state, and that is Ganga Prasad. And who's that Ganga Prasad? Start writing it down immediately. It is Ganga Prasad has become the new governor of Sikkim. Ganga Prasad has become the new governor of Sikkim. I am writing it once. All the 7 states, all the 7 questions are associated with the new governors. I'm just going to write down the names of the states there, and you have to write down. You yourself have to write it down, that new governors here. We'll start once again. I was saying that Ganga Prasad has become the new governor of a state, and that is Sikkim. See, if he was the governor of some other state earlier, it is seriously not at all important for you. So don't read such questions, because such things are going to make things very difficult for you, because they write something that he was the governor prior to that of some X state. Not at all important. Just write it down. Ganga Prasad has become the new governor of Sikkim. When we move to the next question, we see that Tathagat Roy, he has become the new governor of Meghalaya. He has become the new governor of Meghalaya. Write it down. Meghalaya's new governor Tathagat Roy. Meghalaya's new governor Tathagat Roy. When we say Lalji Tandon, Lalji Tandon has become the new governor of Bihar. Lalji Tandon has become the new governor of Bihar. The next question is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Satyadev Narayan Arya. See, names are, I know when you actually get to learn all the difficult names, it becomes difficult to retain as well. So I am going to tell you that Satyadev Narayan Arya has become the new governor of Haryana, and when I say that his title can be found here as well, Arya, see, the names are going to be many, but I think that's going to help you that Arya, Haryana even has the name Arya in it. That's how you can associate it. There's nothing big about it. I was just trying to help you to learn the name. Satyadev Narayan Arya, Haryana. Haryana's new governor, Satyadev Narayan Arya. Baby Rani Maurya. Baby Rani Maurya has become the new governor of Uttarakhand. Has become the new governor of Uttarakhand. A is missing here, write it down. Uttarakhand's new governor, Baby Rani Maurya. Kaptan Singh Solanki has become the new governor of Tripura. Kaptan Singh Solanki has become the new governor of Tripura. Satyapal Malik. Malik has become the new governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, as you guys know, that president's rule is on. So it becomes more important for us. This question becomes more important for us. So I said Satyapal Malik, new governor of Jammu and Kashmir. I'm going to repeat all the names at the end. UPI version 2.0 developed by NPCI. Unified payment interface, that's UPI 2.0 version developed by NPCI. What's that NPCI? NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India. National Payments Corporation of India, that's NPCI, and NPCI is known as umbrella organization, for the retail payments in India. This question is very, very significant, believe me, because this is going to be in the exam for sure. I'm saying UPI version 2.0 developed by NPCI, that's all right, but I was telling you something else that is even more significant. I generally say that because I feel, because this question, was asked in the previous papers too. Umbrella Organization for Retail Payments in India, what's that? NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India. World Hindi Conference 2018, I am about to tell you the venue of it. The venue, Port Louis. Port Louis. And where is that place situated? It is in Mauritius. One more thing that you need to learn. That's the theme of Hindi World Conference, World Hindi Conference, that was Hindi World and Indian Culture. Hindi World and Indian Culture. See, the theme is not written everywhere, but the question can be asked in the exams. That is why I am writing it here. World Hindi Conference, the venue, Port Louis, Mauritius. I am telling you something besides that, and that is Hindi World and Indian Culture was the theme of World Hindi Conference. Helena is Anne. See, write it down like that. I am going to remove this N here. I am going to write N in uppercase, and that's going to be Helena like this. That's how you can associate two words with that. First of all, write down what is Helena. Helena is basically anti-tank, guided missile. See, what I am going to tell you here, anti-tank guided missile, what's important here? Why did I actually change the N from here to the uppercase? The reason was, it is basically the helicopter launched version of Nag. Helicopter launched version of Nag. That is why this is helicopter and this is Nag. This is helicopter, heli is helicopter, and this is Nag. And that's Helena, and what's that Helena? Anti-tank guided missile which was successfully test fired from Pokhran. So Helena is basically the anti-tank guided missile, and what's that Helena? I told you, helicopter launched version of Nag. So it was test fired successfully. Winner of SAF Under 15 Women's Championship. When we say SAF, that's South Asian Football Federation, Under 15 Women's Champion. That's India. Winner of the nation, the name of the nation that actually won, that was India. Now, 2-3 things which are associated with it. India defeated Bangladesh in Bhutan. That's how I told you 3 things. One, the name of the winner, that was India. India defeated Bangladesh, the second thing, and the third thing, the venue, the place, that was Bhutan. India defeated Bangladesh, you have to write it down because Bangladesh can be there. The third thing, see, because when I give you the details, it's not that I am talking about something XYZ which is not relevant. What I am teaching you, that's very relevant. That is why I even discuss that. Otherwise, I don't bring that thing into the discussion. I am saying India defeated Bangladesh and the venue of SAF Under 15 Women's Championship, that was Bhutan. Brand Ambassador of Road Safety Awareness Campaign, that's Road Safety Awareness Campaign, and Brand Ambassador Akshay Kumar. The next question is, health insurance schemes must cover mental illnesses too. As you guys know that many illnesses are the part, many illnesses, and even many sorts of illnesses are the part. But here something different is there, and that is mental illnesses should be there, should be the part of health insurance schemes. That is said by IRDA. That mental illnesses should be the part of health insurance schemes. Asia Cup Cricket 2018 venue. So the venue is UAE. If I tell you only UAE, that's incomplete. Write it down completely. That's Abu Dhabi, exact places. And Dubai. Abu Dhabi and Dubai, these are the places where Asia Cup Cricket 2018 took place. Will take place. Bharti AXA ties up with Airtel Payment Bank to offer. What's that? The question is very relevant, and that's going to be there in the exam for sure, one or the other exam. There's a tie-up here between Bharti AXA and Airtel Payment Bank. So what are they offering? They are basically offering Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, as you can understand, the word Bima is there, that means some sort of insurance is being provided. Yes, that's correct, absolutely correct. Now you need to understand two things here. Airtel Payment Bank is there, we all know that, and there are many account holders there, but there is a defined age criteria. When an account holder who holds the savings account with the Airtel Payment Bank, and the age is from 18 to 50. Age from 18 to 50, that's the age bracket I'm discussing. Only those people who are from the age group of 18 to 50, they can take the advantage of such a thing. And what's that thing? Basically, the cover of 2 lakh will be provided. Write it down. That's the other point which I want to mention. I'm saying cover of, see, under this Bima Yojana, you will get the cover, you will get the insurance of 2 lakh rupees. You will get the cover of insurance of 2 lakh rupees. Apart from that, one more thing is very important, that is the amount, the premium which a person gets to pay. What's that? Who's that person basically? The account holder of Airtel Payment Bank who has the age from 18 to 50, that person is supposed to pay 330 rupees. 330 rupees per annum, that's the premium for which that account holder will get the benefit of 2 lakh rupees, will get the cover of, will get the insurance of 2 lakh rupees under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. So that's the tie-up between them. World Organ Donation Day, very, very positive thing. So learn that. World Organ Donation Day is observed on 13th August. World Organ Donation Day is observed on 13th August. Head coach of women's national cricket team, that's Ramesh Pawar. That is Ramesh Pawar. So Ramesh Pawar has become the head coach of women's national cricket team. National Sports Day is observed on 29th August. The birthday of Major Dhyan Chand. Yes, the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand. So Major Dhyan Chand, who was associated with hockey. So Major Dhyan Chand's birthday is observed as National Sports Day in India. That's 29th August. We'll start the revision. One by one we'll read all the things which we have learned till now. Stay put. Ganga Prasad has become the new governor of Sikkim. Tathagat Roy, new governor of Meghalaya. Lalji Tandon has become the new governor of Bihar. Try to learn the names. Satyadev Narayan Arya has become the new governor of Haryana. Baby Rani Maurya, new governor of Uttarakhand. Kaptan Singh Solanki has become the new governor of Tripura. JNK's new governor Satyapal Malik. UPI version 2.0 developed by National Payments Corporation of India, which is also known as Umbrella Organization for Retail Payments in India. World Hindi Conference venue, Port Louis, Mauritius, and the theme for it was Hindi World and Indian Culture. Helena is helicopter launch version of Nag. What's that? Basically anti-tank guided missile. South Asian Football Federation Under 15 Women's Championship won by India by beating Bangladesh, held in Bhutan. Brand Ambassador of Road Safety Awareness Campaign, that's Akshay Kumar. Road Safety Awareness Campaign, don't forget that. Health insurance schemes must cover mental illnesses. And UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, these are the places as and where Asia Cup is going to take place. Bharti AXA ties up with Airtel Payment Bank to offer Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and 13th August is observed as World Organ Donation Day, and the new head coach of women's national cricket team, that's Ramesh Pawar. 29th August is the date when we observe our National Sports Day. Wrapping up, thank you.